If you want to install Grammarly on your mobile device, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Grammarly can help you write more clearly, catch spelling mistakes, and improve your messages, emails, and posts right from your phone. And the best part is, it only takes a few minutes to get set up. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is where you can safely download apps directly from Google. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Grammarly. Make sure you spell it correctly so you can find the official app quickly. After that, look through the search results and select the Grammarly app. You want to make sure you choose the real app from Grammarly, not a similar-looking app or keyboard tool from a different developer. Once you're on the app page, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading and installing Grammarly automatically. While it installs, you may see a progress bar or a loading circle depending on your device and internet speed. Just wait for the installation to finish. Once it's done, the Install button will change and you'll be able to open the app right away. Now tap Open to launch Grammarly for the first time. When the app opens, it may ask you to sign in with your Google account, Apple account, or email address. If you already have an account, just sign in. If not, create a new account by following the on-screen steps. This part is important because signing in lets Grammarly save your settings and sync your writing tools across devices. After you sign in, Grammarly may ask for a few permissions depending on how you plan to use it. For example, if you want to use Grammarly while typing in other apps, you may need to follow a short setup process inside your phone settings. Just read each prompt carefully and allow only the permissions you're comfortable with. That way, Grammarly can work properly while still keeping your device secure. And that's it. You've successfully installed Grammarly on mobile and signed in to get started. From here, you can begin using it to check grammar, improve your writing, and make your messages look more professional right from your phone. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.